7 signs your body is inflamed and how to reverse it naturally. Hi there. This is your host. Today we are going to talk about 7 signs that your body is inflamed and how to reverse it naturally. One anti-inflammatory diet that I recommend is called therapeutic nutrition. Now, the concept behind this is pretty simple. If food can be medicine, then medicine can be food. So let's talk about how you can use food as medicine. Now, I want to say something right up front. This video is not intended to diagnose or treat any medical condition. It's just food for thought. Okay, it's food for thought. But if you're interested in taking charge of your own health, then stick around. So when we talk about inflammation, most people think about pain. But actually, chronic inflammation doesn't hurt at all. Most of the time, chronic inflammation is silent. It goes unnoticed, undiagnosed, and improperly treated. You may be suffering from chronic inflammation without ever knowing it. That's why it's so important to understand the 7 signs of chronic inflammation so you can catch it early and reverse it before it becomes a big problem. I'm going to share with you 7 signs that your body is inflamed. And these are signs that you should pay attention to because they can indicate that you have a serious health problem. Chronic inflammation has been linked to almost every chronic disease out there. That includes heart disease, cancer, diabetes, Alzheimer's disease, autoimmune disorders like rheumatoid arthritis, lupus, inflammatory bowel disease like Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis. The list goes on and on. And I believe that most, if not all, chronic diseases start with chronic inflammation. Now, inflammation is a natural process that occurs when your body is exposed to an irritant or a pathogen like a virus or bacteria or even toxins. Inflammation is supposed to protect your body by sending white blood cells to fight off the infection or heal damaged tissues. But sometimes the inflammation never goes away, and it keeps your body in a constant state of immune activation. And this keeps your body in a stress state and makes you more susceptible to getting sick again. This is called chronic inflammation. And it's different from acute inflammation. Acute inflammation is short-lived and subsides once the damage has been repaired. Chronic inflammation lasts for months or even years. Here are the 7 signs that your body is inflamed that you should look out for. 1. Brain fog. Do you find yourself feeling mentally sluggish, having trouble concentrating, or feeling like you can't remember things as well as you used to? Well, if you do, you might be experiencing brain fog as a result of chronic inflammation. When your body is inflamed, it releases chemicals that can affect your brain function. This can make it difficult to concentrate, to think clearly, or to remember things. So if you're feeling mentally foggy, it could be a sign that your body is inflamed. 2. Fatigue. Are you constantly tired and lacking energy, no matter how much sleep you get? Chronic inflammation can cause fatigue because the immune system gets weakened over time. And when your immune system is weakened, you get sick more often, and this takes a toll on your energy levels. Also, when your body is inflamed, it releases chemicals that can make you feel tired. So if you're feeling fatigued, it could be a sign that your body is inflamed. 3. Muscle and joint pain. Do you have pain in your muscles and joints that doesn't seem to go away? Well, if you do, you might be experiencing this as a result of chronic inflammation. When your body is inflamed, it releases chemicals that can cause pain and inflammation in your muscles and joints. This can make it difficult to move around and can cause a lot of discomfort. 4. Dry eyes and mouth. Do you find it difficult to keep your eyes moist and your mouth feeling hydrated? Well, if you do, you might be experiencing dry eyes and mouth as a result of chronic inflammation. When your body is inflamed, it releases chemicals that can cause your glands to stop producing enough lubrication. This can make it difficult to blink and can cause your mouth to feel dry and uncomfortable. 5. Skin problems. Do you suffer from skin problems like eczema, psoriasis, or acne? Well, if you do, you might be experiencing this as a result of chronic inflammation. When your body is inflamed, it releases chemicals that can cause your skin to become red and itchy. This can lead to skin problems like eczema and psoriasis. It can also cause your skin to produce more oil, which can lead to acne. 6. Digestive issues. Do you experience frequent pain and discomfort in your stomach? Well, if you do, you might be experiencing digestive issues as a result of chronic inflammation. When your body is inflamed, it releases chemicals that can cause your digestive tract to become irritated. This can lead to symptoms like abdominal pain, bloating, and diarrhea. And number 7, frequent infections. Are you constantly getting sick with colds, flus, and other infections? Well, if you are, you might be experiencing this as a result of chronic inflammation. When your body is inflamed, it releases chemicals that can weaken your immune system. This makes it more difficult for your body to fight off infections. So if you're getting sick more often than usual, it could be a sign that your body is inflamed. So if you're experiencing any of these signs, it's important to take action right away. Chronic inflammation can lead to serious health problems down the road. So it's important to do what you can now to prevent that. Now, fortunately, there are some things you can do to reduce inflammation in your body. Let's talk about them. 1. Eat anti-inflammatory foods. Certain foods have been shown to reduce inflammation in the body. These are called anti-inflammatory foods. Anti-inflammatory foods are foods that have been shown to reduce inflammation in the body. They contain compounds that help to calm down the immune system and reduce the production of inflammatory chemicals. Some examples of anti-inflammatory foods include leafy green vegetables, nuts, seeds, fruits, and fatty fish. Leafy green vegetables like spinach and kale contain antioxidants that have been shown to reduce inflammation in the body. Nuts and seeds like almonds and flax seeds contain healthy fats that can help to improve your overall health and reduce inflammation. Fruits like berries and citrus fruits are high in vitamin C, which has been shown to reduce inflammation. Fatty fish like salmon and mackerel are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to reduce inflammation and improve your overall health. To practice therapeutic nutrition. Therapeutic nutrition is a whole food approach to eating that focuses on using food as medicine. It's based on the idea that the foods you eat can have a profound impact on your health and can be used to treat and even cure certain diseases. Therapeutic nutrition involves eating whole, unprocessed foods that are rich in nutrients and antioxidants. These nutrients and antioxidants help to reduce inflammation in the body and promote healing. Some examples of therapeutic nutrition principles include eating plenty of fruits and vegetables, choosing whole grains over refined carbohydrates, and including healthy sources of protein in your diet. 3. Focus on functional foods. Functional foods are foods that have been shown to have a positive impact on your health. They're foods that go beyond providing basic nutrition and actually have medicinal properties. Some examples of functional foods include foods that are high in fiber, foods that are rich in antioxidants, and foods that contain probiotics. Foods that are high in fiber, such as fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, have been shown to reduce inflammation in the gut and promote healthy digestion. Foods that are rich in antioxidants, such as berries and leafy greens, can help to reduce inflammation throughout the body. And foods that contain probiotics, such as yogurt and fermented vegetables, can help to improve your immune system and reduce inflammation. Eat for nutrition. When you eat for nutrition, you're refocusing on eating foods that are rich in nutrients and that will fuel your body and give you energy. This is different from eating for pleasure or eating for convenience. Eating for nutrition involves making conscious choices about the foods you eat and understanding how those foods will impact your body. When you eat for nutrition, you're less likely to reach for processed or sugary foods that can cause inflammation in your body. Instead, you'll focus on eating whole, unprocessed foods that are rich in nutrients and will fuel your body. 5. Don't forget about omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are a type of healthy fat that has been shown to have a number of health benefits. They're important for brain health, heart health, and overall well-being. Omega-3 fatty acids are also known for their anti-inflammatory properties. They can help to reduce inflammation in the body and prevent chronic diseases. Some of the best sources of omega-3 fatty acids include fatty fish, flax seeds, and chia seeds. 6. Reduce sugar intake. Sugar is one of the worst things you can eat if you have inflammation. Sugar is a major cause of inflammation and can make your symptoms worse. That's why it's important to read food labels carefully and avoid foods that are high in added sugar. Added sugar is sugar that's added to foods during processing and is often found in processed foods like soda, candy, and baked goods. Reducing your intake of added sugar can help to reduce inflammation in your body. And 7. Manage stress. Stress is a major contributor to inflammation. and can make your symptoms worse. That's why it's important to find healthy ways to manage stress, such as through yoga, meditation, or spending time in nature. By reducing your stress levels, you can help to reduce inflammation in your body and improve your overall health. So if you're experiencing signs of inflammation, it's important to take action right away. By making changes to your diet and lifestyle, you can help to reduce inflammation in your body and prevent chronic diseases. Remember, food is medicine. Choose to eat anti-inflammatory foods, practice therapeutic nutrition, focus on functional foods, eat for nutrition. Don't forget about omega-3 fatty acids, reduce sugar intake, and manage stress. These are all important steps you can take to reduce inflammation in your body and improve your overall health. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and share. And always remember, you are perfectly healthy